Now you can add subtitles to your video for free by using a free software provided by the Microsoft. So I'll open the video first, and let's say this is the tutorial I want to have the subtitles. So I'll just do a right click and I will click on open with, and with Microsoft Clipchamp I'll open it. You just need to install it from the Microsoft Store and install it. This is a great software, and you can also export videos in 1080p. So this is the video is opened almost. You can also import it if you do not want to directly open with and then import it. So currently it's importing right now. How to clear. Now here we go. If I play this tutorial.
Good day everyone. Learn how to remove YouTube
So there is a caption. So you can add the subtitles, or I would say the captions, to your videos. Right. So to add the caption in the video for free, you need to click on this captions and then click on try now. And it will ask you to select the language. So there are so many languages like German, English UK, English United States. I'll select the English United States and I'll click on transcribe media, and it will start generating captions for the video you have made. So it is currently doing it, and it should not take much time. That's the best part. So now you can see it has successfully, and you can also edit it if you want to. Alright, and now if I'll play this, I'll go back here. You can see.
Good day everyone. Learn how to remove YouTube search history or how to clear YouTube.
So you can try that, and then you can simply click on export, and high quality 1080 HD is free, but if you want to export it to 4K, then you need to get the subscription or you need to upgrade. So this is how you can add captions to your videos for free. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.